Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Comet Browser on Windows. Are you ready? So in the previous video, we learned how to download and install Comet Browser. So in this video, I will show you some feature of this browser. So let's get started. Open Comet Browser, and as you can see, you can search Comet Browser. Okay, and this is the home page of Comet Browser, as you can see. And here we have an option which is assistant. Okay, so you can click on assistant, and you can ask assistant to do something for you. For example, open BBC News and open BBC News in a new tab, please. See, it will open a new tab of BBC News, as you can see. Very easy and very simple. And you can ask, for example, assistant to summarize the whole page. Can you summarize the BBC page, please? As you can see, it's thinking and it's analyzing and summarize. As you can see, it has summarized the whole page. That's how you can use this assistant. And you can add attachment if you want, and you can talk here, as you can see. And it has more features. Yeah, that's how you can use this browser for anything. Yeah, I hope you like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.